Female dancehall entertainer Keshan loses her life during a dispute in Old Harbour.
Hey, it's a girl, Keshan.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Female entertainer Keshan was shot and killed in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Saturday the 20th of July by a licensed firearm holder. Keshan, whose real name is Kenneisha Brown, is known for her collaborations with dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel. These songs are entitled Bubble Your Body,
You are my baby, you know you are my done right now, me no know you are plan.
and The Goods.
Teacher, the boy can't love my good, so me have to send for your long.
Keshan was signed to the So Unique Records label, headed by producer Elvis Redwood. According to the police, the 24-year-old entertainer, who resides in Marleymount, Old Harbour, was shot and killed shortly after midnight during a dispute with a licensed firearm holder in an area known as Sharper Lane. The Old Harbour police report that during the dispute, she threw several stones into the licensed firearm holder's car before stabbing him several times. According to the police, the man discharged one round from his firearm, which hit her in the upper body. The entertainer reportedly died while undergoing treatment at hospital. The Jamaica Constabulary Forces Corporate Communications Unit confirmed the incident, but said that the licensed firearm holder had been taken to hospital to deal with his injuries after allegedly being attacked by the deceased. He was taken to the hospital and is under police guard. He is expected to make a statement to the police soon, an officer at the CCU said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.